Hi, changuitas. Just kidding. Oh, damn, what's that? I don't know. Anyway, so today I'm gonna do a PR collab makeup look. She wants us to do a superhero makeup look, and I'm gonna do Spider-Man. Be cool to do a Spider-Man face paint, but I don't get the right materials. Actually, I do have paint, and I have two paintbrushes, but they're not really big, thick, and they're more detailed brushes. But I don't know, I don't know, I don't feel like doing paint right now, so I'm just gonna do the traditional makeup Spider-Man look. I'm just gonna do a simple blue and red eyeshadow and try to draw a tiny spider and a spider web on the other eye. I'll try, if not just one of these things. That I got inspo from YouTube. I just searched Spider-Man makeup, and one girl did the spider, the other one did the spider web, and I was like, why don't I put two and two together and do one of each eye? So we'll see. Anyway, so I'm just gonna start with, I think this palette, this is from Humble Heaven. It's the PR brand that I'm working with, and well, not really working it because I don't get paid, but I get sent products to promote for free. Okay, there. So she's still selling it. Ow, whoops, I stuck my finger inside, and I can't remember how much it costs, but it's pretty affordable, and it's a colorful rainbow palette. I hardly used it, probably like once for my mauve makeup look, because this is more colorful and I'm doing more fall. I'm trying to use more orange brown instead of color, so I'm gonna use this red shade for my crease and hope it's the right red shade for this look. So I'm gonna apply my base and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm gonna blend the red on my crease. Yeah, this is definitely more red orangey. It doesn't look like red off the bat. I'll try to see if it looks like more reddish when I apply and make it more darker. Okay, it's still looking red orangey. I'm gonna get another red from another palette. I think I'm gonna use the Sign by Kimmy palette. Her red shade is definitely the Spider-Man red shade, so I'm gonna use, you see, yeah, this is the more Spider-Man red, the traditional dark red, neutral red, fiery red, hot chili red. You give me the red, so I mean, it's good because it looks like I blended it up to the top, but it's just the other red shade. So I'm just blending. Oh yeah, something that I wanted to mention is that every time I look up or stare is because I record with my camera, and a lot of messages pop up, and it's just I distracted easily, so I quickly have to read. I don't care if I'm doing a look. I just, not all the messages, but I try to read, because sometimes they're emergencies and you never know. One time I had to answer like right away, so that's why I'm like now, like, it's usually when you're filming or busy or doing something and you're not by your phone that people text you and important stuff, and you're like, oh snap. So it's a habit for me to keep staring at the and it's not because I'm staring at myself, that I'm not that narcissist, so not that I don't think I'm a narcissist, but that I know with my beauty, if that makes sense. But yes, and I do stare at my makeup to see if Also, I noticed these past makeup videos that when I do draw my makeup, it looks blurry and it's out of focus. So I'll try to notice whenever I mess up. So I'm too concentrated on drawing that I don't notice outside camera, the world, anything. So it's hard to do both when you're so concentrated doing the intricate lines, detail, and all that. So I'm gonna add a blue shade on my lid. So see, I think this blue might work, but it looks like a shimmery one, but I'll still put it on. It's yeah, it's definitely a shimmer blue. So just gonna put it in my lid. I should cut my crease, but I don't feel like it today. So I'm just applying it gently. I just miss. Okay, I don't even know what to say. How I apply the blue shadow. It's a really pretty blue shimmery shade. I love red and blue. These are my top favorite colors. Oh, and green, but so I don't know if a ver, yeah, I'm probably just apply it all over. Yeah, I'll just do that. 'Cause I'm gonna try and do a wing liner for it to be a guideline for my spider web. Actually, no, I'm gonna draw the spider in this side. Yeah, like that. I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna use the Maybelline line stiletto eyeliner to draw the spider. Ooh, let's see. Okay. So I'm gonna start with the line. Start here. Line. The way las pompis, the spider's butt. Legs. The bigger legs. Oops, I think I missed it. So the same for the bottom. And then the small ones. Oops. Then the inside, the booty part, I'm just gonna fill it in with the black liner. Like that. I'll leave it like that. Now I'm gonna apply the blue shadow. No, the red. This red shade. To really blend it, I'm gonna blend it with a clean brush. Because I accidentally went too low right here. And just a little. So then with the other side of the brush, I'm just gonna apply this blue. A little Spider-Man looky look. Okay, so for the liner on top, I need to do a wing liner. So where's my stiletto? Here. Notice whenever I apply lashes, when I do my regular wing liner, I notice that whenever I apply my lashes, you can't see my wing liner because the lashes cover it. So I have to do it a little bit thicker than I usually would, so I could see my eyeliner. But if I would just wear mascara, then it wouldn't matter because you will be able to see it. But once you wear lashes, you have to make your liner a little bit thicker. Then, even though it looks ridiculous, you think it will look so big, but trust me, it will look good. You will definitely see the liner. And it's all with practice because I forget that I have to make it thicker, and I'm like, I apply that lash and I'm like, where's the liner? So just a tip for you guys. I'm running out of liner, no, and I need to draw the spider web. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm gonna try and draw the spider web. So I'm gonna use this wing liner as a guideline to start. So I'm gonna do the web. I forgot. Oh, here. Just gonna add 3 waves here. Oops. Do the guideline first, the lines first. You're just gonna draw the spider webs, the inside. You see, you can barely see because the liner doesn't work. So. I'm gonna use these lashes, the Rocks by Look Lashes Cool. Oh, these. Okay, now I'm gonna start with my base. I'm gonna use our airspun powder. I keep forgetting to wash my blender, so I'm just gonna powder. Quiero chicken nuggets con ketchup y barbecue con ranch. Ay, qué delicia su grasita. Oh my god, stupid. That song is on my mind. But I changed the lyrics. So, if you know, you know. So I'm just gonna do that the whole time. I don't have foundation or concealer, so I just use powder as base for now. And it works. I don't have a lot of acne right now, so it's fine. So I'm gonna do blush. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild. Keep it peachy. I like to apply blush whenever I have my powder, so it serves as a guideline. Like you see, it's a perfect guideline to know where to apply the blush. So that's all I do. Or smile. It's now trendy to apply blush just right here on the top. But I don't know, I still like applying it on my apples of my cheeks, so I still do it. I just love blush, so I get excited with it. I put a lot. I think I'm just gonna go with the Clean & Color Mermaid highlighter and apply it to my hair. Oh, you see, I didn't notice that I have powder. I get distracted so easily. Mira. I'm telling you, like, I don't know. I like to apply a lot on my nose, and then a little right here. I'm just gonna use this old L'Oreal Paris Betty, but I am worth it. I don't know. I don't recommend this one, but it's water. It smells like chemicals. But I have another one right now, so I'm gonna use this one. Oops, I overlined my lips. You see, it gets on your teeth. It's a formula. Yeah, it's sabe mal. Tastes bad. Final Spider-Man look. Sorry, I was stretching. Hope y'all like this Spider-Man look. There's a spider, there's a web, and that's it. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.